Hi everybody, this is Rochelle Reynolds with Reynolds Family Farm, and we have been harvesting elderberries this year. This is now our third bushel of elderberries. Our plants have been producing very well this year, and so of course I've been having to clean a lot of elderberries. And so I went online trying to find the most efficient way to clean elderberries here at home, and someone had suggested using a fork, but that was actually very tedious and it took a lot of time. It was or you can kind of roll them off with your hands, but then you end up with purple fingers. So I thought, well, I know I can find a bigger fork, and lo and behold, I went into my house and I found a hair pick. Now this is a brand new hair pick. I've never used it, but I have found this to be the most efficient way to clean elderberries off of the plant material. It just works very well. And it's actually very quick and efficient. And look at that. I am done. Whoop. There you go. And then you just have to pull off a few here and there. But other than that, and then you're done. I mean, it's fantastic. So I have been able to clean my elderberries actually very quickly. And then with this batch, I will just probably freeze these, because I've already made over 2 gallons of syrup this year. So anyway, that's it. That's all I wanted to share with you was my little tip, hair pick for cleaning elderberries. So thanks a bunch, guys. Have a great day.